So what's going on, guys? If you guys have been following me on Facebook or Instagram, you know I've been up in the mountains for the past couple of days. And man, I gotta say, it is freaking beautiful up here. I pretty much have recorded every single day, so I'll have basically the trip coming up, a little bit of that, not too much. It's pretty much all boring and riding and until you get up towards the mountainside. And we got a fishing trip day, we got a couple of other things, waterfalls and stuff like that, and that's actually what we're going to go see now. Is go down this road, I think it's 107. It's got like 4 waterfalls down that road. So now we're at Silver Run Falls. We're gonna go check out some of the waterfalls. Now it's time for some putt-putt with the grandparents. We're gonna kick some ass. I don't care if they're older. I ain't fucking being nice. This is all Shooter McGavin.
You want the expert to
Age before beauty.
Well, you better go first.
Ping! Hey. Oh man, again?
Move it over a little bit. There.
I'm gonna go ahead and set this up because I know I want to get a hole or not a hole one.
Yeah, right.
Yep. Oh.
Roll, 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 and roll, and roll.
No.
Come on, Grandpa.
Okay. Had to get the win.
That's awesome. Got a nice little
Well, that didn't help
northeast
the wind
wind.
was blowing the wrong way.
Grandma's up fuck. Do you see that thing? It's going. It's still going. Oh, yeah. Good job, Grandma. Only Grandma. All right, Grandpa, let's see it.
Here we go. Go one.
Oh, let's go back towards you.
You did it.
Uh-huh. That's,
Go home,
he's... That's Mr. Miyagi right there. Alright, this is all about the English right here. What you gotta do? You gotta go ahead. Ready? Here we go.
Well, at least I'm in a better place.
Yes, you are.
Oh.
See, there's a lip there.
Wait.
Yeah, there's.
Oh. I'm gonna show you all how it's done. This is how you do it.
Don't stand in front of him.
Grandma is gonna make Grandpa move his balls. Can you see now? Can you see now? Where's his balls on your way?
I told you.
Feel like a carnival.
Hey, that's what I was doing. Touching my Hey, I have enough trouble.
Yeah, there's enough trouble on here.
Do you come up here every year? Is it? It's nice.
That's how it sounds. You're supposed to just tap it in. Alright, so we played putt-putt. Who won?
Me?
We got two.
I'm gonna say that I think your grandpa was most consistent.
Well, yeah, consistently wrong. At least I was consistent in something.
He was consistent.
Well, they can say everything that they want, but I feel like I won
Because you got the hole in
because
one.
I had the hole in one.
Because you have a hole.
Yeah, but there's no actual video proof of it. So did it
Oh
really
yeah,
even
no,
happen?
but yeah, we dispute the.
Yeah, we dispute this.
I have it written down right here.
Oh,
Devin?
You were the recorder of the score, so that's an unreliable piece of
We are the
evidence.
the PGA judges.
You know what?
And if us three observationists say no,
Yeah.
then it may never have happened. It may have all been in your imagination.
Y'all are a bag of asses, you know that? Because there's three, y'all.
That's not as bad as a bag of doorknobs, though.
Well, I think that's it for today. Drinking and jacuzziing.
And they aren't invited.
I hope you guys have a wonderful time.
Today was
We already
If
are.
we were here, I'd be happy. Yeah.
Between all the waterfalls and the riding.
I think I was really excited when I face planted into the bed. So.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Alana farting.
Oh man, babe, yours are bad. You did it in an open area, and I still smelled you.
See, Alana farted, Grandma farted.
Yeah, she was over here and you were across town.